Hello, Albert here. Welcome to another video, and today I'm here to unbox my video making starter kit. Now this was actually a birthday gift from a friend. Now let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Wow. So I have this mic, this tiny mic here. Wow, looks good. And I have, okay, there's like a connector, and this is a remote controller, you know. And I have the holder here. Looks like something now. Oh, okay. Wow, I see. And this is for the phone, holding up the phone for the camera. And this is just some tiny lights. So let's go ahead and try to set it up like this. All right, so like this, and this one comes all the way to this place, like so. Like so. Wow. And then the lights going up, you know, this way. Wow, I'm loving it already, guys. Like, it's like a gun, like I'm holding a gun, like a very tiny gun. Wow. All right, and then this one has to come this way. Okay, so screw it. And I have this phone here. Let me try. Okay. Wow. Okay, so there's an iPhone, and okay, so maybe I need the iPhone connector for this. Otherwise, I'll just plug this in here and then connect it to my phone. Like, goodness, wow, it looks so cool. I've actually tried it, and trust me, it's something really nice. You know, you can go on vlog with this, and this thing right here can go all the way to become a tripod stand. Like, guys, what is more crazier than this? Goodness, like, oh my god, wow, I like it. So, videos making kits, this will be very good for startup. Yeah, and I know my next upcoming videos are going to be very awesome with the help of these things. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. Just drop a thumbs up if you loved it, and subscribe if you haven't, because there are amazing videos coming up and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video.